Sound of vowel E. A. Say the names of the pictures and fill in the missing letters. T. Bed. Leg. Hen. Jet. Net. B. Make new words. Replace M by G in met. Get. Replace B by L in bet. Let. Replace D by T in den. Den. Replace B by L in beg. Leg.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.